Hi, today we're going to start our series on beekeeping. And what we're going to use are Anel hives imported from Greece by Southeast Bee Supply. We're the exclusive importer. Anel hives have an R value of between 6 and 7. They're hard plastic with foam inside, similar to an ice chest. They hold the heat in the wintertime and keep the bees cooler in the summer. We're going to start this from ground zero and just show you the basic hive. You have two types. You have a ventilated bottom board and you have a solid bottom board. Everybody has their own ideas on why they use what they use, but as a rule, the northern states use the solid bottoms more than the southern states. The other part of the hive is your brood chamber and your medium super for honey. So in the brood chamber, the queen lays eggs, the workers are taking care of the babies, they're hatched out, they clean and they feed, and they don't leave for about 2 weeks. The young bees make wax. It excretes through their abdomens, they chew it up, and they make a perfect hexagonal for the comb. And that's where a honeycomb comes from. The hives, the Anel hives, are really well built. They latch together, so you don't have to put rocks and bricks on top to keep the wind from blowing. There's the lid. It's recessed so we can put a feeder inside. We'll talk about those later. There's a propolis collector. And here's the deep brood chamber. You notice it's almost 10 inches deep, and that's where the deep frames go. Most people use deep frames just for raising bees. The medium box is usually used for honey. It's about a 6.5 inch deep box. They hold 10 frames. And we'll get into the frames later, but once this top piece is fully filled out with honey, it can weigh upwards of 80 or 90 pounds. That's a lot of honey. You figure a pound is roughly a pint.